Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. First, I want to introduce myself. My name is Yanita Adia Silmaudi, and I'm a student in postgraduate of educational in English language, Unindra. And I'm standing here. I want to presentation about a topic, and the title of topic is organizing the body of speech. And I will show my presentation using PowerPoint text. Okay, let's see to PowerPoint text. The title of my topic is organizing the body of the speech. And this is my name, Yandinta Nadia Silmaudi, and my NPM 2024 74 774. Okay, my material divided for main point. The first is organization is important, and the second is main point, and the third is supporting material, and the fourth is connected. The first is organizing is important. A. Listeners demand coherence. In listener demand coherence, unlike readers, they cannot flip back to a previous page if they have trouble grasping at a speaker's idea. And B is encourage critical thinking. It is closely connected to critical thinking. When you work to organize your speech, you gain practice in the general skill of establishing clear in relationship among your idea. And then the last is boost the speaker's confidence. In addition, using a clear, specific method of speech organization can boost your confidence as a speaker and improve your ability to deliver a message. And the next is main point. Main point. In main point, the main point are the central features of your speech. In the main point, you should select careful, press precisely, and arrange strategically. And in the main point, have 3 points. The first is specific purpose, some central idea, and then main point. The last, next is strategical order of main point. The first is chronological order. And chronological order is a method of speech organization in which the main point follow a time pattern, and the second is spatial order, follows a method of speech organization in which the main point follow a directional pattern, and the third is causal order. Causal order is a method of speech organization in which the main point show a cause-effect relationship, and the fourth is problem solution order, a method of organizing persuasive speech in which the first main point deals with the existence of problem, and the second main point present is solution the problem. The last is topical order. In method of speech organization in which the main point divide the topic into logical and consistent the topic. Next is supporting material. Next is to generate main point. The first is keep main point independently separated. Each main point is a speech should be clearly independent of the other. And the second is use the convincing pattern of wording. The set of main point of the right follows a consistent pattern of wording to trigger. And the third is balance the amount of time. Balance the amount of time. This means allowing sufficient time to develop each main point. The next is supporting material. The material used to support a speaker's idea. The material used to support speaker's idea. There are 3 major kind of supporting material. The first is example, and the two is statistic, and the third is testimony. This is example of using supporting material for main point. 1. if hypnosis is used in surgery as an adjunct to chemical anesthesia? A. Hypnosis reduces both the physical and physiological aspect of pain. And 1. Hypnosis can double a person's pain threshold, and it also reduces the further influence physical pain. And B. Hypnosis is most useful in cases when the patient is known to have problem with general anesthesia. One quotation from Dr. Harlow and story of Linda Quay and the statistic from Psychology Today. There are several reasons why people immigrate to the United States. A. Over the years, millions of people have immigrated to the United States. Many people immigrate in search of economic opportunity, others immigrate to attain political freedom, still others immigrate to escape religious persuasion. And the last is connective. What is connective? Connective is a word phrase that connect the idea of speech and indicate the relationship among them. And connective divided four material. The first is transition, internal preview, internal summary, and side post. What is transition? Transition is a word or phrase that indicate when the speaker finishes one truth and is moving on to another. For example, now that we have a clear understanding with the problem, let me share the solution with you. This sentence, now that we have, this is example of transition because the speaker finishes one truth and is moving to another. Okay, the second is internal preview. Internal preview is a statement in the body of the speech that lets the audience know what is the speaker is going to discuss next. For example, in discussing how Asian Americans have been stereotyped in the mass media, we'll look first at the origin of the problem and the second, the continuing effect today. And then internal summary. Internal summary refers to briefly recapping key point at preview stage throughout the speech. For example, let's pause for a moment to summarize what we have found so far. First, we have seen the keeping color while in captivity stunts their mental and physical development. Second, we have seen that keeping color while in captivity endangers other animals and human trainers. And the last is side pose. Side pose in speech are words or phrases that help guide the audience through the structure of the presentation. They act like verbal markers that indicate transition between idea and message, important point or signal the progression of the speech. For example, numerical save fund. The first cause the problem inefficient agricultural production. And emphasizing key ideas, the most important thing to remember about abstract art is always based on form in the natural world. Okay, the last is summarize. Summarize in this topic is clear organization is to fight people to speech making, and well organized speech will enhance your credibility and make it easier for the audience to understand your message. And the next process of planning the body of speech begins when you determine the main point. The next is when organizing supporting material, make sure that are directly relevant to the main point they are supposed to support. And then last is connective, how tie a speech together. They are word or phrase that join one truth to another and indicate the relationship between them. And connective define for main point, the first is internal summary, side post, and then internal preview and transition. Okay, I think my presentation is clear. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you.